Let's catch the green light before it goes off. We don't want it turning red on us. Okay, so welcome to the channel, everybody. This is, wait, hold on. Nah, that's not how we do it here. I'll be right back straight after this entry video. Don't go anywhere, stay. Alright, this is Not So Burned In here. Welcome to yet another video. This is part 2 of Kabondo neighborhood. Otherwise, as you will know, when you're in Burundi, it'll be called Quartier Kabondo. That word quartier is a substitute for neighborhood. But let's take a right turn and begin the exploration. There's so many cars parked at the petrol station. Seems like fuel is becoming a problem again. So yeah, before we go any further into the video, if you haven't seen part 1 of Kabondo, just click on the link appearing above and watch that video first before you continue on with this one. Right now we are in part 2 of Kabondo, so let me plan this out. How should we explore the neighborhood? Let's begin this way. So basically, I didn't want to record the entire neighborhood in one video. I wanted to break it down into 2 separate videos so that so that you are able to watch the videos in their entirety without getting worn out by 30 or 40-minute videos. So yet again, I mean, it's so weird because I'm recording the 2 videos on the same day, but I'm trying to make it seem like it's 2 separate days that I am recording these videos in, but it's all really just one day. Hold on. So I'm basically just recording all the videos in one particular day, and so first things first, I just want to thank everybody that is currently subscribed to the channel. All 984 of you. I mean, it's amazing to me how the channel has grown in such a very short time. I couldn't have anticipated it, and it's just, I don't know, it's mind-blowing. I guess within about a month, we will have achieved the base requirements of YouTube. Within about a week, sorry, I would have made 1,000 subscribers, and well, after that, it's wherever we go from there. So let me be careful not to miss anything in this neighborhood. So I passed that point over there, and okay. I'm just gonna go to the end of this street and then take a right turn and look for another street and go backwards that way. And okay, these look like mini shops or something. I don't know. So yeah, like I said in my old video, Kabondo is just basically it's an old neighborhood. It's an old middle class neighborhood. one of those neighborhoods that you most likely would have lived in had you moved into Burundi in the late 70s, 80s, and the 90s. From after 2006, that's when Burundi began to expand into other different neighborhoods. Okay, let me plan this out. Let's see how the neighborhood explores itself. I am pretty familiar with the neighborhood, even though I might just, end up getting a tad bit lost, but we have 20 minutes to do this. And if there's anyone wondering whether or not you might be able to buy a house in this neighborhood, chances are you might not be able to buy one, because I don't think there's anybody that's willing to give up a house in this neighborhood. But if you do happen to find someone that's willing to give it away, then it'll be at a high cost, because the neighborhood is already complete. It's the closest neighborhood to the city other than Rohero. So it's already paved with stone. The water drenches are already in place, so it'll demand a high price. Wonder if these are apartments. I don't know what those are, but I might just come back and inquire. Let's check this part out. Down over there. Okay. I've never lived in this neighborhood, but I used to come by this neighborhood because my little brother used to go to school here. He used to go to BIMS. That's why I'm familiar with this neighborhood. And on top of that, they have a football field that we used to play in. And hold on. There is a good scenery here. I don't want anybody to miss anything, just in case you see your house anywhere. I make the videos for people that miss home, so I wouldn't want you to miss anything. So yeah, let's continue. So there's two schools in the neighborhood, both of which have go all the way to secondary level. Year 13, I think. We've got BIMS and École Belge. This might be an apartment complex. I don't know. A lot of Burundians are waking up to the fact that hotels aren't really selling as much. Let's wait for the car to pass. Okay, this guy's smoking. He should be off the road. Shouldn't be on the road smoking as much. So everything to the left is what we're concerned with in this video. I explored the right side in the previous video. Right now, our main concern is everything to the left side. That's it's Old Kabondo. I'm calling it part 2. So I don't know, just in case you see anything that you're familiar with. It could be your house, it could be your place of business. Just comment in the comment section below and let me know. Like the video, like the video if you happen to see your house and it's a place that you haven't seen in a really long time. Like and subscribe. And it's currently the rainy season right now, so the sun isn't really constant, and when it does come out, it's not as bright. Like even right now, the first video that I recorded a couple of minutes ago isn't going to be as bright as this particular video is. Right now the sun just came out a little bit, so this particular video will be brighter than the previous one is. And every now and then you will come across two-story buildings, but so many of them are not. Any two-story building that you see in this neighborhood right now would be fairly new, second generation built. Because you know, people tend to come back home and with a little capital and expand. Something tells me that the chances of you finding a house under Airbnb is high, such as that one right there. You never know. We've already been here, so let's head back down. Let's head back down from the main road over there. And for those of you that will come to Burundi this summer, if everything goes well, I might be having a couple of bikes in my disposal that for those of you that are interested in cycling, that you guys will have access to, so that you may explore Burundi the way I do. So hopefully the bikes come in this month or next month. It doesn't matter, they will be here this summer. And let's just say that you know where to find me once the bikes finally come in. The only thing that I won't be having will be the cycling, what do you call it? The cycling clothes, you know, the clothes that you need to cycle around, you know, for cycling. Other than that, when it comes to gloves, glasses, I'll be having all of that. Let's take a left. Seems like we have a little something here that we can explore. There isn't that much. It's just a little entry into I thought it would be a long street. But who knows? Maybe you live here and you've seen your house right now. So if you have, drop a like in the video and comment in the comment section. Just don't mention the number that your house is. Do not mention the number and do not describe it. Just say you saw it, because you know, people are crazy on the internet. And I, for one, would like to maintain your privacy. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so there's another part of Kabondo that we can explore. The last part. I mean, the last part of this video. Everything on the left side is Kabondo, and on the right side is I don't know what the, okay, we're not concerned about that right now. We're concerned about the left. So let's take a left and dive in. and see what we got. Ooh, there's a bit of a climb, but no biggie. I've been riding for 5 months in Bujumbura, so my muscles are well acquainted. Okay, I don't know. Let me start from here. Who knows? Pretty cool houses. I like that. These look like apartment complex. I don't know. I might even go in and ask. Why not? But I won't do that for this video. So that will be another video that I'll make. Okay, this is actually my first time in this part of the neighborhood. I've never been here before. Yeah, if any one of these houses is yours, comment in the comment section below. And like the video and subscribe. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, we got that part over there. Nice. And like I said, this is one of a few neighborhoods in Bujumbura where you find houses that have really huge compounds. Kigobe does not compare to any one of these compounds, not even Quartier Miroir. These are one of the biggest compounds in Bujumbura city, in Kabondo and Rohero. I will explore Rohero someday, not now. Let's get to exploring another street. This is the last bit of Kabondo. This is where we'll come across the school that I was talking about earlier. The BIMS school. Alphenzaid. And on the right side is a river, I think. Or just a big ditch, I don't know. But the river has a name though, for sure. Before the year ends, I hope to upgrade to a bike so that we can explore even more. There's only so much that I can do on 2 wheels on a bicycle. So a motorcycle would be a great addition to the channel. And like I said earlier, it is almost impossible to see the houses fully because very few of them are 2-story buildings. It's understandable because back in the day, a 2-story building would have been very expensive to construct. And then you have these streets that pop up every here and there. So yeah, if you happen to have seen your house anywhere, I've said that a million times. Just don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's grow the community. And again, I would encourage anybody else that is currently in Burundi that wants to participate in YouTube. Hey, you can do what I do if you want to. I mean, the platform is big enough for all of us. I guess the only thing that you would have to consider is, I guess you would have to consider me as competition of some sort. And yeah, just bring up your personality. And it seems to me that there is, these kind of videos are doing well. Like, there is a consumer base for the videos that I'm making. So, I don't know. I would encourage you to not hold off any longer on. Okay, so this is BIMS Secondary School right there, like I said. And this section here is BIMS Primary. It's written on the gate right there. And there used to be a football field here. The whole place is a football field, but then somebody bought it up, I think, and they built this center. But other than that, people now play football in this particular section here with artificial grass and everything. So yeah, I think I've pretty much explored all there is to explore on Kabondo. But there is one particular part that I saw that I didn't get into, and I have to check that out. The video started from there, the petrol station, and we went all the way down. There's one particular spot that I want to check out. Let's hit the main road so that way I can go down quicker. This is the only part, I promise, that is not paved with stone. And I don't know, I'm not quite sure why they haven't paved it yet, but I guess it's one of those things that you forget because everywhere else is already done. These two here and up ahead over there, it's not paved too, up ahead, right there. And so that entire fence that you see written Cybernet is École Belge. That's École Belge primary section, and over here is École Belge secondary section. It's a French school in Burundi, one of the private biggest French schools. Anyway, let's continue. There's one particular spot that I did not explore. Yes, I was supposed to go up here. So I was supposed to continue up ahead before I was derailed by this particular street here. Yeah, this is a spot that I didn't explore. Right here. This point right here. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all there is to Kawondo. There's nothing much left to explore. These guys are learning to drive. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, let me just look for particular spots for me to take where I can take a couple of thumbnails from. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna end the video here.